Hey everybody, it's me, Mrs. Salazar, again with some more factoring trinomials. Okay, so now we have a different kind of problem. You might hear your teachers calling this a difference of squares, but I just think it's easier to stay on key. Rewrite this thing first. Put it in standard form. So that will look like this. 4x squared plus 0. Well, or you could write 0x minus 25. Okay, now we make our rectangle and our diamond. And the ax squared still goes diagonal to the c term. Multiply, and we get negative 100 x squared. And that goes on the top. On the bottom, we put that b term, which is 0x. All right, different color. So now you have to decide what two numbers do you know multiply to equal negative 100, but when they add, they equal 0. That's negative 10 and positive 10. So I'm going to write negative 10x and positive 10x. And that goes in your diamond. I'm sorry, it goes in your rectangle. Now you need to find length times width. The greatest common factor for 4x squared and 10x is 2x. And the greatest common factor for negative 10x and negative 25 is negative 5. Working backwards. So our factored form okay, now some of you could do it in your head, which is great, but if you can't, add that 0. All right, thank you.